Now we're going to work on some guided reading skills, and that means we're going to go through this book in 4 different steps. First step is what we call a picture walk, which means we'll go through the whole book just looking at the pictures and talking about what you see. We won't read any of the words. All right, let's get started on our picture walk, but we'll read the title first. Pup and Pop, Sleepy Time Fun. All right, I wonder what's happening here in this picture, and what's happening here in this picture. What's happening here? Wonder what they're talking about. We've got some kind of maze here. What's happening here? What's he pointing to? We've got some connect the dot pages. Wonder what they're going to be. What's Pup doing? This looks like Pop. Wonder what he's doing. What's Pop doing? Where's he looking? It looks like we have a word and picture match to do. What's happening on this last page? All right, now that we've had a chance to look at the pictures and get a bit of an idea of what the story's about, step 2 is just to read aloud. I'm going to read the story to you, so sit back and listen and see if we can figure out what some of those pictures were about. Pup and Pop, Sleepy Time Fun. It says it's an activity book. It is night. Pop is sleepy. Pup is awake. I can't sleep, he calls to Pop. Count sheep, Pop says. Help Pup fall asleep. How many sheep can you count? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count 10. I still can't sleep, Pup calls to Pop. I need my blanket. I will get it, Pop says. Where is Pup's blanket? Help Pop find it. There's Pop. There's the blanket. Let's see. So if we go up this way and around here and go this way and down and through this zigzag, there we go. We got to the blanket. Pop gives the blanket to Pup. Now go to sleep, says Pop. Okay, says Pup. I'm still awake, says Pup. Pop says, look out there. What do you see? Connect the dots. What does Pup see? Okay, we have to start at 1, go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I see a star and a moon. What about over here? 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and another star. So stars and the moon. Pup yawns. Soon he is asleep. But now Pop is awake. He counts sheep. He pulls up his blanket. He looks out the window. Help Pop play this game. Match the words with their pictures. This word says sheep. This word says sheet. This word says bed. And this one says bread. This word says moon. And this one says star. And the last one that's left, well, it says car. There, I've matched them all. Now Pup and Pop are both asleep. And now that we've looked at all the pictures and you've heard the story, we have a better idea of what it's about. Okay, step 3 is what we call an echo read. That means I'm going to point to some words and read them, and then I'll point to those same words and it'll be your turn to read them. Let's start with the title. My turn first. Pup and Pop, sleepy time fun. All right, your turn. Okay, my turn first. It is night. Your turn. Pop is sleepy. Your turn. Pup is awake. Your turn. I can't sleep, he calls to Pop. Your turn. Count sheep, Pop says. Your turn. Help Pup fall asleep. Your turn. Let's count them. How many sheep can you count? Your turn. I still can't sleep, Pup calls to Pop. Your turn. I need my blanket. Your turn. I will get it, Pop says. Your turn. Where is Pup's blanket? Your turn. Help Pop find it. Your turn. Pop gives the blanket to Pup. Your turn. Now go to sleep, says Pop. Your turn. Okay, says Pup. Your turn. I am still awake, says Pup. Your turn. Pop says, "Look out there." Your turn. What do you see? Your turn. Connect the dots. Your turn. What does Pup see? Your turn. Pup yawns. Your turn. Soon he is asleep. Your turn. But now Pop is awake. Your turn. He counts sheep. Your turn. He pulls up his blanket. Your turn. He looks out the window. Your turn. Help Pop play this game. Your turn. Match the words with their pictures. Your turn. Sheep, sheet, bed, bread, moon, star, car. Your turn. Now Pup and Pop are both asleep. Your turn. Good job, and you might need to go through this story 3 or 4 times with the echo read before you're ready for step 4. So keep practicing. All right, step 4, our final step, is called an independent read or a you read. And I'm going to point to words, but this time you're on your own to read them. All right, you ready? Let's start with the title. Here we go. Your turn. Okay, here we go. It's your turn. Great job. Keep practicing.